Hey, it's Todd Ault and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is asset. If you're a company and you own a business, inside that business is an asset like a barbershop or an ice cream shop or a machine. That's an asset. It has some sort of value because in the future it will produce future value. Now you can look at a manufacturing facility or some sort of technology you own. Even a patent can be an asset. Assets are designed to help the company benefit with future earnings. Now, the size of the assets of the company, they call it asset light or asset rich. If you're an automotive company and you make cars, well, you need a lot of assets. Let's talk about Uber as an example of an asset. Uber's asset could be the drivers, right? But they use the app. So the app is the asset and the drivers are additional assets, but they can come and go. Drivers can sign up and they can quit. But the asset, meaning the app, is worked on by technologists and becomes more valuable later. They can add features and benefits to it. If you're a manufacturer and you have a big plant, you can add new tools and dies and things that make it more efficient. Assets are the driver of a company's balance sheet and the driver of their future earnings. Today's word is asset. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.